In this video, we're going to change the ink for Canon 240. First, you want to open the cover and then grab the scanner bed as well as the lid and lift up. Pull it up until this piece here clicks into place and wait for the cartridge holder to move to the middle. Once it's in the middle, with 2 fingers, squeeze the front piece and the little tab and lift up. Grab the cartridge in the same manner and remove. Out of the box, your ink should always come in the static bag. There's perforation to start the tear. Once out, slide the cardboard off and remove the protective film. Do your best to not touch either of these terminals. Replace the ink. Once you're done replacing the ink, lift the bed about an inch. Once this is up, you can push it in and slide it down. If it catches, just do the same thing. Alright, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below if there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoink.com. Till next time.